Hey guys, so just working on my Samsung fridge here. Pretty much took everything out, undid the back panel. It was letting water underneath the crisper under here and freezing up. So once I opened up everything, as you can see, the this is all solid ice, solid. And it's supposed to drain down here. So we're taking it apart now and going through it. Same thing with this ice machine. Painful. Okay guys, so after unthawing, you can see that I've added some copper wire, put it around the heater element, and dipped it down into the drain pipe. Good luck.